If you want to avoid the long process of soaking rice and dal for some hours, then grinding them and fermenting the batter for another 8 to 10 hours, here's how you could make idlis for breakfast in minutes. Hi friends, this is Veena. Welcome to Pancake and to the fourth video in my series on quick and tasty breakfast recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy rice flour idlis, for which you could whip up the batter in just 10 minutes without the need for any grinding or overnight fermentation. Perfect for those busy mornings when you want to prepare a tasty breakfast in a jiffy. Now let's dive straight into making these instant rice flour idlis. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of rice flour, half a cup of rava or semolina, the kind we use to make upma, 3/4 of a cup of yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Here's half a cup of water, and we'll mix it in a little at a time. Let's add the remaining water as well. The batter is still too thick. It should have a medium soft pouring consistency. So here's another half cup of water. I'll first add just half of it, that is 1/4 cup. Let's add around 2 tablespoons more. That's much better. There's around 2 tablespoons of water left in the cup. Now let's cover the batter and let it rest for around 15 minutes. Now let's lightly grease the idli moulds. If you don't have idli moulds, you could make plate idlis by pouring a 1/2 to 3/4 inch thick layer of the batter into shallow plates or cooker containers. I've greased all the molds. Now let's check the batter. It seems to have thickened a little. So I'll stir in 2 teaspoons of water. Now that's just right. Like in my last idli recipe, the consistency of the batter is important in this recipe as well. Finally, we'll add the raising agent that will make our idlis fluffy and spongy. I'm adding half a teaspoon of Eno fruit salt, to which I'll add 1 teaspoon of water. You could also use a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda instead of the Eno fruit salt. After stirring the batter well, we'll quickly add a little of it to each idli mold. I didn't need to use this bottommost plate. I'll steam the idlis in my improvised steamer for around 15 minutes. Time to check the idlis. The skewer is clean. So I'll turn off the heat and let the idlis cool for around 10 minutes before unmolding them. Wow, see the texture? Just like that of traditionally made idlis. And look how soft the idli is. And so light and fluffy inside. Let's make a quick shortcut kind of chutney. To this bowl, let's add 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of coriander mint chutney. Let's mix it all well. And there you have it, a delicious chutney to go with the idlis. But let's taste it. Simply delicious and so amazingly quick to make. Do give my easy peasy recipe a shot. It's a great time saver. Liked today's video? Then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. See you in my next video. Till then,
Happy cooking!